Hey guys, it's Andy here. In this video I'm going to show you quickly how to change both your profile and your account picture in Bitchute. So first, top right, you click on your picture, your current profile picture. It might be nothing at all. Click on profile. Then you have two pictures that you'll want to try and change. I've spent, unfortunately, far too much time on this. This is not intuitive, it's very frustrating, but let's get through this. First, click on settings, top right. Alright, click that. And now, click personal, right there. And top right of the image, upload image. And you'll have some YouTube, or some images, whatever. You'll have stuff. Alright. And you pick your picture. Alright, next is the really hard one that I had an unacceptable amount of trouble. I had to write it down. So you go to profile, you click on your channel picture. Let's see. Click on the picture because you want to change it. And now you see video, about, and settings. Click on settings. Now click this one, top right. Now you can change it. You are welcome. Have a great day. Bye.